Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Fries, ang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Marvel Studios, the Infinity Saga, ZD Toys, Iron Man Mark 15 from the Marvel Studios Iron Man 3. This is the front of the box. You have the shot of the action figure, Mark 15 sa likod. Side of the box, ito yung magnetic flap. And you have the sticker of Disney and Zongdong Toy. Ibig sabihin, ito ay original and authentic. Hindi siya KO, hindi siya fake, hindi siya bootleg. You have the front shot of the figure, the rear shot, some dynamic poses and accessories. Dito naman sa kabilang gilid, Iron Man 3 na logo. Okay? Out of the packaging, wait, before that, thank you very much Laro Anan for sponsoring this video. Siya nagpadala ng mga Iron Man toys natin for unboxing and review. Punta lang kayo sa Laro Anan kung gusto niyo bumili ng mga Funjo, Iron Man Mark 1 to 7, the suitcase, Hulkbuster. Punta lang kayo sa kanya. ZD Toys Iron Man, Funjoy Batmans, meron siya lahat niyan. Okay, punta lang kayo sa Laro Anan for inquiries. Alright, out of the box, this is a very nice action figure. Very solid build. Hindi siya LED version. And hindi ko lang sure kung magkakaroon pa ng LED versions itong mga ganitong klaseng action figure. But if we are going to customize this, pinipintahan na natin yung eyes and arc reactor para magkaroon ng LED paint effect. In terms of accessories, meron siyang mga alt hands and repulsor effects, and also as a hexagonal base and pole. Out of the packaging, this is a very nice, cool suit. Konting description lang from the Marvel Cinematic Universe fandom.com. Ang capabilities ng suit na to is designed to be the first Iron Man suit to specialize in stealth capabilities. The Mark 15 integrates principles commonly used in stealth aircraft and other anti-radar detection systems, as well as color camouflaging technology. Kaya pala sa ibang photos nakikita ko itong parts na to silver, and dito naman para siyang bronze na very desaturated gold. I think nag-iiba tong color na to depende kung anong environment siya. Para siyang camouflage technology. With its specialization in sensor invisibility, the Mark 15 is most useful for undetected flight and remaining undetected by enemies on large battlefields. It maintains exceptionally small, if at all detectable, radar cross-section while in flight, and it can lighten or darken its visual color to blend into its environment. So parang ganun yung technology na nandito sa suit, making it harder for human enemies to distinguish it from a distance. So yun mga ma'am sir, kaya pala sa ibang photos na nakikita ko, silver yung mga gold parts, and usually yun nga, nag-interchange siya, silver or gold. Okay? In terms of yung head niya, you have the, hindi siya gray parang siyang dark bluish gray tone. Hindi siya super desaturated gray. Kasi yung gray parang ganito parang gunmetal Pero iba, iba. Meron siyang bluish gray tone. Tapos meron din nakalagay dito Mark 15, IM3GW Mark 15. And na-notice ko lang itong part na to, meron siyang wrist guard. Dito wala. Hindi ko lang alam kung ganun ba sa ibang I think faithful sila sa design ng Mark 15. Tinitingnan ko rin kasi yung gawa ni Hot Toys Meron ditong wrist guard, dito sa kabila wala. Okay, kasi kanina nag-swap ako ng hands, pinalitan ko, napansin ko dito meron naka-extend na part. Dito naman sa kanya left hand wala. So I think that's fine. Wala naman ako nawala na parts. Okay? Kina-counter check ko din kasi baka mamaya na hulog. Minsan mahirap mahanap kapag ganito, pag mas maliliit yung mga parts Okay? So the overall design is very angular. Yung chest niya medyo naka-extend front sa harap. Tapos meron siyang mga flaps dito sa likod, yung mga booster din sa ilalim ng feet. Tapos meron siyang mga panel lines na silver. Usually yan dito sa mga backbone and dito rin sa harap. Okay? May mga silver na lines din dito. Okay? Very nice na addition sa kanyang paint job kasi mas nagkakaroon ng visual contrast. Usually against the darker parts. Okay, tapos meron din siyang mga decal type of shapes na nilagay dito, yung mga triangles, yung MK15. Gusto ko rin yung mga parts na ganun para mas nagmumukhang visually mas maraming sections yung armors. Kunwari, itong part na to medyo blank, pwede kang maglagay ng mga decals to make it more interesting. Okay, tapos sa feet niya medyo wide siya, parang siyang bell bottom pants na style. Medyo may retro feel yung design ng armor. Okay. In terms of articulation, head up, down, rotate 360, pwede. Okay, galing, meron din pala sa likod ng head, Mark 15. You can also extend yung shoulders, pwede mo rin extend yung arms, rotate. Okay, twist yung arms niya, double jointed elbows, and ball joint yung kamay. Tapos you can also extend, yan, ab crunch, ab stretch, konting-konti lang, pull it down, kick. Wala naman siya, hindi siya makakaangat kasi hindi cut yung part na to eh. Okay, sobrang onting-onti lang. Yan, ganyan. Tapos okay, kick. Ayan, medyo bend. Pwede naman mag-bend yung knees, double jointed. Ingat lang kayo dito, medyo matalas. Tapos ball joint yung paa. So medyo limited yung articulation dito sa paa. Hindi niya na tumaangat, hanggang ganyan lang. Kasi tumatama na tong parts na to eh. So okay lang din, at least meron tayong Mark 15 na ano pala pangalan nito? Sneaky. Okay, this is the sneaky version of Iron Man. So overall, this is a very nice suit. Very nice addition sa inyong house party protocol suits. Kung kinukumpleto nyo yun mga ma'am sir, pumunta na kayo sa Laruanan on Facebook. Marami siyang binibenta ng mga Iron Man armors and Batman. Okay? So thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.